jokingly ana mebusa say in November Ghana yebenya presidential jet 2 anye bia yewura John Mahama okwa koja ne na wo baakum no aba bedidi adware wo baakum ana. I mean, what is this? You see, I don't have a problem. Say bia oman no wo usika na so betimi ato ene 30 presidential jet. I don't have a problem. But not at this time when Sebe. So what here? Charles almost say secondary school betum because of Adriani intimi nyama school for into betum. And net teachers secretary last week. Na me wo committee work or parliament. Meko na teachers demonstration. Say oma ketria kra no yentua. We have all these problems. Sebe shekoko fu asemi. And ne openly obi share social media openly ye twitwa koko atoagu e de akwakoye galamsey say grade galamsey ni dey say aba be
87.9
galamsey dey say nkan wasem say we've come to accept say galamsey there ye neneneti until it has become the norm. You see, but you don't do that. Media me school am koye no we were taught one to know, always think and look ahead. Your motto no ti the oba dream biano o dream ehwe kan.
So we are wasting resources.
For me, a complete waste of resources. Complete waste of resources for the luxury of a person. It's never right. It's never right.
Enti na mo wabem no. When the decision no buy advice be na mo at the ministry. Advice be na mo de mama penny. Because it came up. Say at the time na former President Nana arrangement to secure a presidential jet.
Yeah. You see, the difference is here. The former president brought the idea to secure an executive plane, not a presidential jet, an executive plane. A plane that could ferry about 40, maximum 50 persons. Pacho what must say? And it's a plane no na enye for the sole use of the presidency. Debbie. And one thing America says, but speaker kwa took mine. Na say, ene uko parliament ya forming associations be with other parliaments around the globe. And it's a wosha. To say me say committee me wo MC 3 so 3 no ebi wo no ma ya dosu pa ya about 30. And here be a main fan says parliament or baby invited. You can go. And no nya fe na ban e ko pesika akotretua plane wo so ebetimi afu ele nko ade a we go. Pacho what must say enti ebetimi afa nipa dodo. But 18 na ye koto ye na binom say anya pristine condition suddenly it becomes so pristine it can fly to Congo. So the same thing. Sabi yakwa koto no upgrade. Adwaye ne mpanyin na wom yakwa akoto
na de we no adwaye ne mpanim
yeah
so
900 Debi se no ntina kufu ado ka se yenkoto yom so kodware wo wiem no 600 ya yi 6s de empa adwaye bibia
o se wiem dware de no ye buy one private jet on come buy na wiem adware ne buy o
Debi o omusi ye kwa akufu ado se yenkonkoto plane no kwa kodware wo wiem no odware wo wiem a na nsuo no a obedware wo wiem no na ba be bie so we de kwa koto adwaye wom bibia wom enti obi attended to nature's call we na so odware we a nsuo begu ye so de I tell you ebeyensam nko a you see ayana very sad for me very sad but me I've always said say men shall always be tried by their own words. Sir issue whereby committee when we're discussing the purchase of this presidential, I raised the same issue. And I said, so you see, now any way in Kwao, any way say in Kwao, share my main time assembly. Just around that time now, see Bekaya, even your core IMF gave us an opening because near Kwakoto vessels, Bioshe vessels. These are long endurance vessels for the Navy. I bet me at Tana Poso. Ache be a 1 month. A sign war boat, speed boat. I say in case of anything, no, a betimi sebe dealing with issues. Yen yanu when this for said da Even when the IMF gave us an opening, almost da, almost da. Sometimes we are bare elections. Now we share the number difference in parliament. Na kwaye nsembebre. And no more. So me catch them say we should think and look ahead. And ne pirate etimi ba as far as and also as close as a Kunfiria, a fisherman. And that is not the first time I see you. That wasn't the first time I see you. Omutimi baya. See, I was a vessel na Kebia a boy.
I see. A friend, Honorable Kofi Amankwa Menu Esquire, and the any dim come na more messages no yes. I mean so away from I'll say he's not against the purchase of say a jet for the military aircraft near but how the process I go through to acquire it. And in fact, in the case of the presidential jet there, why clear says and can I better the air? Senkania the other na at the time Nana Dankwa Kufado, the arrangement was made say yenya executive plane. Ya accept no. Now this time we share capacity near there. You koto there in terms of capacity of them. That is the concern. Okay. That is it. But you move away from I am share. Maybe some general assessment of Abain